Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the topic on World Energy Investment Report. The article came in down to earth. Uh, the report was released by International Energy Agency. Have a look into the key facts. Our global energy investment will grow around $1.9 trillion based on this report. The report says that there will be a 10% hike in global energy investment. Out of this global energy investment, new power generation capacities, that means this total amount spent on new power generation capacities, the renewable power have a largest share of around 70% out of a total of 530 million, and this 70% is possible if the countries take favorable policies and regulations in order to invest in renewable energies. The very report also raised some kind of environmental impact and concerns. Let us have a look on this impact and concerns. Even though we see a share of 70% in renewable power, it still not deter the increase in carbon dioxide emission. So the carbon dioxide emissions remains the same. And the global emission is set to grow by 1.5 billion tons this year. And the reason for this carbon dioxide emission is the pandemic recovery strategies adopted by various countries, and the technologies etc. will be there. And let us have a look on emission concerns around the world. 70% of this carbon dioxide demand or environmental impact will be on these emerging markets like India. China coal consumption in December 2020 was very high. Besides, Australia's exported emission through coal is double its domestic emission. These all are the concerns raised in the report. Let us have a look into World Energy Investment Report. We know that it was released by IEA, we already discussed, and it mainly examines how investors are assessing risk and opportunities across all areas of fuel and electricity supply in order to address this climate change. So we have a number of discussions under various country level and various ministry level in order to tackle this global climate change. World Energy Investment Report 2021 raised two questions. Based on these questions, they assess the world global energy investment. Let us have a look what are the two questions. Whether this government and investors action actually accelerate clean energy projects. This is the first question. Then second question, impact of COVID-19 impact of COVID-19 in the energy investment response. These are the two questions raised by World Energy Investment Report. Next, we are going to International Energy Agency. Have a look. It was founded in 1974, have 30 member countries. Then its headquarters in France, Paris, in Paris. And it published a number of publications like World Energy Outlook, key World Energy Statistics etc. will be there, and they have associate members. India is as an associate member. China, Brazil, Indonesia, Morocco, Singapore, Thailand are the associate members of IEA. Also, this report put forward a way forward. It says that world is far away from scientific target for limiting climate change within 2 degrees Celsius. So it put forward more democratic decisions making process and decorporatization of energy sector is the need of the hour in order to future survival of civilization in this planet. That's all about this article. Thank you. Please do visit our website www.iascurrentaffairs.com and our channel. Thank you for watching.